Hello. Good evening. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And I'd like to share with you all words of God from the book of Philippians, chapter 4, verse 6 to 7. Chapter 4, verse 6 to 7. Don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Tell God what you need and thank Him for all He has done. Then you will experience God's peace, which exceeds anything we can understand. His peace will guard your heart and mind as you live in Christ Jesus. This whole passage is pretty self-explanatory and easy to understand. And the takeaway and what I like about it is that it made me realize that I shouldn't try to do everything on my own, but instead I should rely on God and find peace within Him, peace that you can find from Him. And through that, I realized that I can overcome all my worries, worries that I have within myself. And I hope that these words of God can inspire you and have an impact that it have on me to you, that the same way it have impact in my life. Thank you.